Okay, everybody, welcome to Hyper Game Dev. Today we're doing one game in 1 hour, and I'm gonna use Godot. I've never used Godot for a 1 hour game jam. I've been learning it for a couple months. Goddess help me. I don't know how this is going to go, but I'm gonna try anyway. We're gonna see what happens. That's what it's all about. It's all love here. We got 7 minutes until the official submission period begins on itch. Let me tell you a little bit about the rules, and we'll come up with a topic and all that good stuff. How y'all doing? Hope y'all are doing great. Godot 1 hour game jam. No vid, I'm gonna give it a shot, but I'm not confident. But that's okay. Confidence is what this game jam helps me build, not necessarily have ahead of time. So let's do it anyway. Let me tell you about this game jam, y'all. This is the Hyper Game Dev Game Jam. 1 hour is all you get. It is non-competitive. We don't do ratings, none of that. It's just for fun. We're just here to learn, do our best. Welcome, Pepe. Were you the first here? I don't know. It's hard to say. I have to take your word for it, but you were definitely, if not the first patron among them. Pepe is here. I sing to the patrons. I sing to the YouTube members. Pepe gets a song. Pepe, Pepe, Pepe. Thank you for being one of the first, at least, patrons. I don't know about the live stream though. What's up? We got Roxy. Roxy is ready again. This is a non-competitive game jam, y'all. It is intended to help get the game dev gears in our brains turning. It is not supposed to be super stressful, except for maybe just a little bit, but not a lot. Not a lot. Here are officially, entirely, exactly the rules for the jam. Number 1, make your game a game. And what a game is entirely up to you. If it's a game to you, it's a game to me. You can use assets you've made before, you can make new ones, you can pick out assets someone else made. I don't really care. Doesn't really matter. Is it you telling me it's a game? Then let's talk about it like it's a game. All right, that's it. Pretty easy. Rule number 2: use the topic. By the way, chat. Do we have any topic suggestions? We only got 5 minutes, 6 minutes to come up with one. I'll just come up with one on the spot if you guys don't. But it really helps if you can just throw out words, ideas, concepts. We can piece something together, get inspired by it. So yeah, and by using the topic, all you got to do is just reference it, right? Make it somewhat there so we know you actually made it for this jam. It doesn't have to be like a perfect interpretation of the topic. All right, Freaker with the well luck wish. How generous. Thank you. I'm going to need it. We've got temporal. What does that mean? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Well, I'm gonna have to look it up. And you know what? That is actually very inspiring. Lack of meaning. I don't know. We'll come up with a topic. Keep giving me some suggestions, y'all. Easy. Welcome, Pierogi. Rule number 3 is you only have 1 hour to make the game. Now, you can do a pre-submission on itch. I'm going to do this. This is what I recommend deeply, is that you do a pre-submission. Basically, do everything within 1 hour for the most part. If you have to fix a few bugs outside of an hour, that's okay. We accept late submissions. I'll check that out at the top of the next show. Again, head over to the link in the description, itch.io/hypergamedev something. Go to the link in the description. Go there. Make a community post, upload your project that way if you're late. If not, do a pre-submission, guys. Even if you're making it on Dreams, submit it on itch. You can just submit like a screenshot or something like that, all right? Okay, so that's the topic you want one day. Easy topic. Taxes. Let me say that Pierogigon is here. Pierogigon wants some easy stuff. Pierogigon is a member and a patron, so double the song for Pierogigon. Welcome, Pierogigon and Freaker. And Freaker. Freaker is a patron. Thank you for being a patron, Freaker. Thank you for making the intro music, which you all heard. Yeah, this is a singing stream now. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, so I want to say that temporal is not a word I understand. If we're gonna come up with a topic, I'm gonna need to know what temporal means. Relating to worldly as opposed to spiritual affairs, secular. Wow, what a thing. That is the opposite of easy as far as I'm concerned. We've got taxes, temporal, easy. Okay, how about, okay, so if it's complicated like temporal or worldly of the earth, easily of the earth, easy earth, world's domination. No, it has to feel like a game jam topic. See, I gotta update it here, and it's gonna say it right here. It has to feel like a game jam topic. World spinning earth, taxes. What do we do with taxes? Earth charging earth. Temporal tax. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's say, of this earth, of this world. So temporal is material world, material girl. Oh, welcome, Psycho Ocelot. Psycho Ocelot, thank you for supporting the channel. You supported the channel before. It's not a full song, but it's a little bit of something for you. Thank you for that. Yeah. Oh, it started raining outside. Please don't crash my stream, Rain. Oh gosh, let's hope this, if the stream doesn't crash, the game jam continues. Itch doesn't crash. So just know that. Earth, raining on this earth, material girl. How about, let's say, stuff? I like the word stuff. Stuff feels like a good word. Free stuff. Free stuff. Wet taxes. I kind of like free stuff. I mean, what could be easier than free stuff? What could be easier than free stuff? Taxes? Who wants to pay taxes? We just want stuff for free. Temporal stuff is pretty temporal. Material girl, material world. I mean, what could be more material than wanting something for free? Ghosts, because Halloween is upon us. Ooh, so like maybe like you're setting ghosts free. Ghosts are trapped, releasing free stuff. I kind of like free stuff. I think I like free stuff. I don't know how to tie free stuff into ghosts, but I think free stuff is gonna be, I think it's gonna be the topic. So that's what it's gonna be, y'all. It's free stuff. I'm gonna save it. Ghost yard sale. I like these topics. I guess I can be a little particular about the topic. Like, I want the topic to, like, I don't know, be like vague enough. Maybe I need to be more open to it, but I love your guys' suggestions. If I hadn't come up with free stuff, ghosts and ghost yard sale would be very helpful. All right, we got a topic. Let me put it in the chat. I was here and late at the same time. You were like a day early. All right, we're gonna also welcome Storm Run. You're a member. You get a song. You get a song. It's time for me to do this in Godot. Storm Run, wish me luck. Storm Run, thank you for being here. Dear gosh, will I succeed? Don't forget to hit a thumbs up, by the way. I really like when you like the stream. It means a lot to me. It tells me I'm doing something right, and it lets YouTube know that I'm doing something right. So if you haven't yet, make sure you super hyper duper smash that thumbs up button. Thank you if you can do that. I deeply, truly appreciate it. All right, let me pin this topic to the chat, and I'm gonna get started, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay. Pinning it to the chat as quickly as I can. I gotta get those little hearts and crap out of there. How am I supposed to pin it to the chat if the hearts are in the way? Let's go. I gotta say something so it's above the heart so I can click on it. It won't let me click on it because that heart is in the way. You guys, if you're watching on the live chat, you know what I'm talking about. I need to actually type one more message for it to really be available. I gotta get rid of that. We can get rid of those hearts. I think I have to. Oh my gosh, I just heard lightning thunder outside. Oh my gosh, I cannot promise that this stream will not crash. But don't worry, I'll be back as soon as I can if it does. All right, it's ready to go. We're started. We have 58 minutes. I think my clock is actually already at 58 minutes. YouTube could program the heart above the 3 dots. Yeah, they sure could. They sure could, but they don't. Thanks, YouTube. All right, let me get my timer up here. I think it's already at 58 minutes, which is just beautiful. And let's get all this other crap out of here, too. Stream crashes with 1 minute remaining. Honestly, I hope it does. I hope it does. So that's... Welcome, G-Wiz. Welcome, G-Wiz. We got G-Wiz in this house. Thank you for helping me learn Godot, by the way, G-Wiz. I don't know if your lessons are going to apply here. By the way, y'all should go subscribe to G-Wiz if you don't know about G-Wiz. Great YouTube tutorialist when it comes to Godot. All right, so what am I gonna do? My gosh, how much time do I have? 58 according to Itch. I'm giving myself a little less than that just so I can maybe be ready. Okay, here we go. No problem. Godot, never used it in a game jam. What are we gonna do? So free stuff is the topic. I'm gonna pull up Paint so I can sketch out my idea. What is it going to be? Basically, I want there to be things. So we just have a game, right? We have a game and it just already exists. So I'm gonna just make a box that represents the game. Okay, this is the game. The game right here. That is so tiny. That is so tiny. It's the game. It should be big. The game, right? And then in addition to the game, I want there to be free stuff. So stuff that like falls maybe and gives you power-ups is what we'll say, right? But how is it free? If it's paid otherwise, do you know what I mean? It would have to it'd have to feel like it was free. You know what I mean? It would have to feel like it's free. So like normally you have to like spend points on it and like now it's free. Maybe like okay, so let's say there's, oh gosh, I really have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know how to do anything in Godot. Dude, I have no idea how to do this in Godot. Because it's like, I don't know how to do a platformer. I do know how to use menu buttons. I know how to use UI elements and have buttons be clicked on with the mouse. Okay, so we want like a mouse clicking game, right? So we could say, and then we could say like, if you hover over certain things, it's like bad and you lose points. Okay, let's do a game like that where your mouse has to hover over things and only the right things. But sometimes you get an invincibility cloak that'll let you hover over the bad parts. Is that a game? Almost. Let's see. I'm gonna get a block that is filled in. We're getting fancy here. It's gonna be fine. Let's say there are. Let's make it red. There are bad areas, right? Do not hover over this stuff. And so is this going to be randomly spawned? I don't know how to do that in Godot. I don't have a clue. So it's like a maze. We're making a maze for your mouse, right? And you hover your mouse through it and you try, it's operation, right? You're trying not to touch the sides. All right, that's the game. Okay? And then sometimes you get a power up, I guess randomly, and then that will give you the freedom to move through the level. Okay, I guess that's my game. So these power-ups, you have to collect them. Is it really free if you have to collect it? Yeah, no, because how do you collect it? That doesn't really make sense, you know, because you're trapped within this little area. So it would just have to be power-ups, basically. Right? It would just be power-ups. Stormrun says a Pac-Man style game where you gotta collect trash before you get fired. That is quite an amazing idea. How about like fruit? That sounds difficult, but I love your imagination here. How about like Fruit Ninja, but with candy? Sounds like an awesome game I don't know how to make in Godot. Sounds like an awesome game. Oh, also, Halloween trick-or-treating is a great like theme for free stuff. Getting free candy, that's pretty dope. It's actually a really good idea. Good ideas, great ideas. Love the ideas. I don't know how to do them. So I think this is the best because I know what I do know how to do in Godot is have a mouse be detected by things. So, but if it's a level, right, so do you move if you get to the end? Well, I need like a little detection zone here that's going to like find out, you know, if I actually am going to the left or right. You know, we could just say it's on the right side, and if you're in this, then it like shifts the level over. Do I know how to do any of that? To code the operation style game, simply have an area collision go to the mouse position. Whoa, whoa. Then when it collides with the block, trigger the code. Whoa, that's a great idea. You can make a garbage collector game with what you got now. They would appear outside different doors and you got to get there in time. You can make a garbage collector game with what I have now. They would appear outside different doors and you got to get there in time. I love you're like garbage. No, trust me, garbage. I still need to figure out the free stuff part because that's really important, you know? No, these are good ideas. I need to figure out the free stuff part. It's kind of important. Uh, so let's say that the just random like garbage is free. Garbage is free. That's true. Let's say that there's like a timer every so often and it gives you an invincibility. So it'll like count down, all right? So we're going to say there's one free thing, but it happens multiple times. So instead of this being a random circle, this is a clock. This is a clock. And it'll be a timer. I don't know how to do a timer in Godot, so we're going to need to learn that all of a sudden. A timer that counts down until you get freedom to just skate through the level. And the further you get, the more points you get. Dude, there is no, this is one of those jams I am going to like get halfway there. All right, so we're just gonna say that. All right, so we've got a node 3D. No, we don't need to make 3D. I'm gonna play this game on Steam later. No pressure, no pressure. What can be pressureful about that? Nothing at all. I mean, I am gonna upload it to itch. I do think I can export from Godot pretty easily, so we're gonna try that at least. Okay, so we're gonna make a node. I guess I want a control node more than a 2D node, don't I? So, oh my God, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my God. Control node, great. So there's a control node. Inside of a control node will be, ta-da, the game. I love the idea GWiz had, the suggestion about having a block following the cursor. I don't know why the cursor can't just be the cursor, but I guess if people have a different mouse cursor, that could make things different or more easy or more difficult. So I guess that makes sense. Cool. So how do we do any of this? Let's go. Oh my God, guys, this was such a mistake. Script. We need to attach a script. I'm going to attach it to here. Maybe not the best place. That's where it's going. We're going to say mouse. I don't know. That's what I'm calling it. And I want to say function process. Okay. I guess I should make how do I even make something follow? You'll code this alongside? Gee whiz! Are you sure? Simply have an area collision go to the mouse position. An area collision go to the mouse position. Wow. Okay, so let's add a child node. Area or collision shape 2D. Collision shape 2D. Now it's telling me that only serves to provide a collision shape to a collision 2D object derived node. Okay, so we need to add a collision polygon. It's a polygon. I've never made a 2D game in Godot. I've only done 3D stuff. So that is something. Please only use it as a child of area 2D. Oh, wow. Wow, do I know what I'm doing? We want to put this up here, put that in there. Okay, so it is a child of that. We still have one error, an empty collision polygon. Okay, so we need a polygon. I'm going to come over here to the options, and I'm going to say, what kind of polygon? How do I make it be a polygon? How do we make it be a polygon? What do these do? I don't think these do what I think it does. I wish I had made this 3D. I wish I made this 3D. Area collision node. No, just use a shape. Okay. No polygon. Bye-bye polygon. See ya. Go in the trash. Couldn't want to be ya. Looks like GWiz is going to get us through this. Collision shape 2D. So that's all I need is just a collision shape 2D. And then it's telling me a shape must be provided. Please create a shape resource for it. Shape empty. We want to say, let's make it a circle. Done. We got a shape. Yes. Okay. And then I guess the area 2D is bigger than the shape. No, it looks right there. Okay, cool. So there's that. And then I want this to go to the mouse. Good God. Good God. Oh my God. I have no idea how to do this. I don't know what I'm doing. Mouse position. We got to figure out how to get the mouse position. Oh my gosh. Gee whiz is 1 hour game jamming with us today. Position. Okay. All right. All right. Position. There's no way this is the only code that I have to type. There's no way. Dude, what was I thinking? What was I thinking today? Global mouse position. Right. So you're just telling me what the position is. Oh my God. Okay. All right. So I got to think. So if we need to reference this node right here. I'm going to rename this and I'm going to call this cursor. I'm just going to call it cursor. And then I'm going to make it access as unique name, and then I'm going to reference it like that, right? Right? That's a thing. And then if we do a dot, well, that doesn't, I mean, this is certainly acceptable, but it doesn't mean anything. We want to say somehow, so I don't really know how to make it match to it would be the thing. Well, we've got the reference. I just need to somehow get that reference to matter. Wow, really don't know what I'm doing. I really got myself in a pickle with this one. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Gee whiz, your help is appreciated, but I'm leaning on you, and that's not good. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do what I know, which is going to be problematic, but it's the only way. It's the only way. So here's what I'm going to say. I'm going to do a control node, and I'm going to add a panel. I know, all right? Believe me, I know. But this is what might work for me. Look at Lee's coding. Am I coding? Is that what Lee's is doing? Oh my God. Oh my God. Put the code on the area node? It isn't. It isn't on the area node. I don't know, gee whiz. I don't know if I can do it in 1 hour and keep my brain together. So I think I got to pivot a little bit. I'm going to say we got a panel here. We just got to do it this way. We have to. I'm going to get some panels here. We're just going to leave that area. It's just going to be chilling there, minding its own business. I probably should detach this code. Hey, what's up, Benny Mill? Love your channel. Watch the friend. Watch the friend. Welcome, Benny Mill. I appreciate it. I really appreciate that. I'm taking a few weeks off after this week, but I'm going to tell you guys all about that more soon. But yeah, thank you so much for supporting the channel. That means the world. Hi, friend. Hello, friend. I just love sharing my learning process, doing my best. So here's a little box, right? And what I'm going to say, I'm going to put a script onto here, and this is going to be game one. It's game one script. That's the script. And so what I'm going to say is we're going to make a node signal here for mouse entered, okay? There's mouse entered. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to say connect. And it's going to drop it in there for me because it loves me. And so nice, Godot. On panel, mouse entered. This is obviously going to get to be a lot of code. That seems ridiculous, and I know that. It's for a game jam, this will have to do. If that happens, I want to somehow change the color of that panel. So I'm going to make it a unique name, which means I can drop it in here. Let me actually rename it. I'm going to call it, just panel 1. It's panel 1, folks. That's going to go right in there. Hey, what's up, leading name? Good to see you. Welcome on in. I want to somehow set its color. Maybe that's like theme color theme color override. That concerns me that it's add theme color override. Black. Do you understand that? Does that, I don't think that, did you mean to use black? All caps? Yeah, totally. That's what I meant. There's no way this works. This isn't what work is. Identifier black not declared. Yeah, that's a constant. Okay, so that doesn't help me at all. Cool. So let's do this. Let's look it up on the internet. So I'm gonna say, okay, all right, Chrome, just take a minute. Take some time. Black, good color. I agree, it's the best color. So I'm gonna say Godot or GD script theme panel color change. Help me out. How do I change the color of my panel? I like that. Yes, but I'm looking for in the code. I'm looking for in the code. In the code. How to change style box color. Yeah, style box. Right. That's the thing I think we need to say. Style box. Add theme style box. Draw style box. Override. Actually, black is a shade. You know, agree to disagree. I hear you. I hear the argument. I hear the argument. I hear the actually argument, and I do hear you. But, you know, we say white people, we say black people. Those are colors. There's different meanings of color, right? We could say absence of color, but black can mean a lot of different things. So to me, it's a color. But I hear you. Label get style box BG color, or if you want to change the color independently, each label use the control add style box override. Okay, and so then what are you when they say color? Are they using like a hex code? Are they using like a hex code? Add style box override. Normal new style box? I don't really know what that means. I don't know what that means. The reason why I'm changing the color, right? This is not going to be points. We're not going to get points. Like, none of this is going to be possible. Like, I have no idea how to do any of this. There's a custom styles category in panels, but you can set custom style boxes. Yeah. Okay, cool. Variable color. Interesting. You can set the color of a panel by referencing the self-modulate. What? Oh, maybe we should do an animation. Let's do an animation. Okay, it's too much. Then you can edit the RGB values independently. Gee, that sounds correct. I did maybe, dude, I'm gonna fail at this game jam, but you're gonna watch me do it. So that's what this is all about today. Okay, so what I want to try is making an animation. Let's do an animation. So there's animation stuff. Let's create a new one. You're helping me so much in theory. If this was a regular stream, man, the regular Godot stream, man, you'd be saving me. Modulate. Oh, that sounds easy. Like, that's the way you're starting to make me think that that's easy. Self-modulate. Does that work? Is that gonna work? I just want to do the color for debug purposes. So, like, the more I think about it, like, that's really gonna work? Nah. No way. That'll work? Will that work? Oh, we got a wait. We got a 3D. Why does it look like that? Oh, the main scene. We gotta make this the main scene. How do I make something the main scene? Oh, shoot. Something else is the main scene, this old thing. Don't make that the main scene. We need Node 2D to be the main scene. Oh, shoot. I just realized before I started the game jam, I made a test project. Okay, let's delete the original main scene. And then once I test it, it's gonna be like, what should be the main scene? This one. There we go. Oh, wait, that worked. Dude, gee whiz, you're genius. What? That worked. Oh my gosh. What? I can't believe that worked. Holy crap. That is code magic. Self-modulate. I don't think, I actually am not sure, Stormrun. I think so. So if we say B, let's see, does that go to blue? Yes! What? I can't believe that worked. Oh my gosh. All right, well, then we know we have a functioning something here. Holy moly. Cool. So now how do I translate this into things that mean something? Let me create, that is super cool. I'm like kind of stunned right now. Let's say variable, we want to say variable, how do you set up variables? I forgot. Variable, score, variable score equals 0. Is that how you set up a variable? I think it's how you set up a variable. And then we could say that, well, I want the score to constantly be going up. So I want to say function process delta score plus 1. I don't really want it to be delta. I want it, because every frame seems like a lot of points, right? So if I just do that, right? And so this number should just go up, right? So if I create a label, right? Let's create a label, and I want that label to be named score. I'm gonna make it a unique name so I can just drag it in. And, oop, we just overwrote everything. We just overwrote everything. And I want to say that the score, you need to multiply by delta, otherwise it is frame dependent. Score plus equals 1 times delta. Thank you. I just have to believe you that this makes the most sense. All right. And then I want to say score. We don't want to say that yet. First, I want to say, I guess if I want to have the number be assigned to text. That's what we want to do, text. Okay, so I want to do set, is it set text? Get text? Something with text. Something with setting the text of a label. We're gonna have to look it up in here. Label. Do. String. Yes, string, but it's really just the number that I want there. Not really like a string. Get set text value. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, cool. Great. So we want to say set text, and then I guess I'll say score, or do I need to put that in quotes? If you don't multiply delta, the score will go faster or slower if the computer is less or more powerful. Gotcha, right, because the delta is the frame. I wasn't sure. That makes a lot of sense. No. Can I convert argument 1 to float to string? Okay, so I need to put quotes here. I do need to put quotes here. Okay, I wasn't sure. Well, because I want it to be the variable, right? I want it to put the variable number, not the word score. I wanted to set the text to the number that the variable represents, right? So I'm gonna look it up. I'm sure GDScript in variable integer to label text. Oh, there we go. A string. Oh, really? Oh my gosh, dude, you're my chat GPT right now. You're my chat G whiz right now. Really, just say text equals? You are like co-author of this game right now, G whiz. Text score. Will that work? Oh, it works. Look. There it goes. It's going up, baby. Let's do it. Okay, cool. So then that's the score. Thank you, G-Wiz. Could not. G-Wiz. Yeah, dude. G-Wiz is truly a Godot wizard. Like, I beg you guys to go subscribe to G-Wiz's channel. Do it now. Do it now. Oh, integer score. Oh. You guys, this should be, if this isn't enough to convince you to subscribe to GWiz, I don't know what could possibly, but besides watching their amazing videos, I don't know what could do it. Look, it's going every second. Let's go. Okay, cool. Let's make this nice and visible. And one of my favorite things about GWiz, if I'm gonna just go ahead and promote for no reason other than I'm thankful, is how short and to the point their videos are. I really appreciate that. We need to go to theme overrides, and then what I'm gonna do is make sure that the font size is super big. Super big. So like you guys won't, it's not like watching my videos where if you're gonna learn something, you have to waste a lot of time first to like get through my, my hanging out personality. It's like, gee whiz, will get to the point. Okay, let me see what this looks like. Show me what this looks like. No, it's tiny. No. It's supposed to be big font. Font size big. Let's say 40. I didn't know you made stuff too. I subbed. Yeah. Oh yeah, they make stuff. Nice. That's nice and big. Oh, I can see that from a mile away. I love it. Actually, it could be a little bigger. I'm gonna say 100. Well, there's not much to this game. Honestly, this is going exceptionally well, and I have to say, gee whiz is helping make this possible. All right, big old score. There you go. That's the score. Looks great. I'm kind of curious what happens when it kicks over to double digits. I know it's gonna waste a little time, but that's okay. Nice. It's justified. Great. Or aligned. I love it. Wonderful. So, score goes up. Now, if we overlap... Dude, coding is awesome. This is actually pretty nice. Okay. Look, I shouldn't say that. I'm being helped. That's making a big difference. So, I want to say that if you are overlapping, right? So, we'll say function panel on mouse entered. Then... I want score minus equals 1 times delta. So, and we could even say more than 1. Okay, geez, sorry, I typed it wrong. Oh, we need to put a space here. Oh, I still did it wrong. Error, identifier delta not declared in the current scope. Oh, wrong, I see. So I would have to, am I allowed to just put delta in there? And is that gonna be okay? You don't need to multiply by delta. What? I am noticing that my overlap seems to have broken. I think probably because of the delta thing. You saying I don't need to multiply? Heard. Is it, you know what? Not even gonna bother. I just believe you. So it looks like it's on a 1-by-1 basis, right? If I touch it, it goes down by 1. But if I'm constantly sustained there, it's not still doing it. So I needed to keep subtracting it because it only triggers once when you've entered. It's not frame dependent. Oh, and so if right. I guess that would have to be like a function of the node signal itself for that to work that way. Mouse entered, because I could say mouse entered set of variable, and if that variable is true, okay, all right, I see, I got it. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I think this makes sense. So instead of doing it that way, I want to say, let's get a new variable, and this is gonna be is hurt equals false, okay? And then we'll say that when this entered happens, yes, and then you will need to multiply delta. Gotcha. Okay. So let's say that if that's true, if it's entered is hurt, right? And then I'm going to add another signal here for when the mouse exits, right? And for this one, I'm going to say you also need an exited function. You know it. We on it. We got this. Is hurt false? Okay. And then we'll say if is hurt, then score minus equals 1 times delta. Is that what functionality is? Okay, so it's counting up. It's counting up a little bit. We come in here. No, incorrect. All right. Oh, interesting. You need to set is hurt to true in the insert. Oh, I thought someone told me that you don't have to do true. I guess I misunderstood that advice. I thought there was something with booleans and variables where you can like just type it, but you know what? That's above my level, so let's not do that. let's not get fancy here. Oh, they're competing. Let's go. That's only for reading it in the if statement. Oh, thank you. Okay, so I was right about that a little bit, just using it in the wrong place. Gotcha. All right, so we want to say maybe 2 instead of 1. So that way it doubles back. Dude, this is actually coming out remarkably well. And there it goes. It's going down. Sweet. Sweet. It's a little slow. I almost wish it was reacting more. Oh, and then instead of B, let's say R, right? Let's say R, because it's a bad thing. So it's counting up. There's your score. And then when you go over it, your score starts going down. Now, I gotta say, it feels not aggressive enough. I mean, if I do like 3, it's gonna like skip numbers, and it's still gonna be every second. Oh, that actually looks great. You can put the score addition in an else statement. Whoa. Okay, all right. Is that just like cleaner that way? Oh, look at that. Look at that score go down. Does it go to negative? Dude, scripting is awesome. It does go to negative. All right, so we could say if less than, just keep it at 0 as well. So that way you don't get down into the negatives. Okay, cool. All right, so let's do it. Let's clean code it a little bit and say else score 1 delta. I guess, oh, then they're not competing with each other. I see, and then I see. Gotcha. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes some dang sense. And then it goes up. Beautiful. It seems a little slow. I feel like we could make this higher, just so that way it feels like you're getting more points, you know? Look at that. And then we go over this, it starts going down. Beautiful. And then I want, dude, this is going so well. And then I want to say that less than variable, or not variable, score less than 0. If score less than 0, variable, or oh, I said core. Score equals 0. That's like what sense makes, right? So there it's going up. If we hover over it, it stays at 0. I like coding. Coding is cool. Okay, cool. And then, great. There, done. So now we still need the freebies, right? This is the topic is free stuff. So, I mean, at this point, what I need to do is build out more. And this is where I could do like an export variable thing and instantiate scenes, right? So if I take this code right here, and I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take this code right here, and I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move this code. That means I probably need to disconnect these signals, would be my guess. So wish me luck. I'm gonna hit a save. I'm gonna cut all this. I'm killing it. And I'm going to attach a script to panel 1. And this will be panel script. And I'm going to attempt to just stick it on here. I don't think it's going to work. Yeah, so I mean, obviously that's not going to work for a lot of reasons. But I think I need to disconnect these. I don't need to do that. Oh, I believe you. Okay. All right. Heard. I will continue to do these things that I probably don't need to do, and I may regret it. I'm going to disconnect these. And I'm just going to keep going because I got a clock. But if an explanation comes through that I can implement, I will do it. Okay, so this is... we'll worry about this in a second. I'm going to want, in theory, to add in mouse entered connect onto this. No. Oh. Wait, is this on the same... This is on a different script. Oh, because maybe I was defining... Okay. So if I come to the panel script and I try to do this, will it let me? Open this up. We want to say connecting from panel. There it is. No, there it isn't. Yeah, there it is. Okay, good. This is good. Yes. Okay, that's what I want. And then if I paste this in here, like that, right? Obviously is hurt, still doesn't make sense yet. We're gonna fix that. And then I'm gonna say on mouse exited. Is this gonna work? Is this gonna work? I mean, I put that in there, and it's not like that little control arrow, which concerns me a lot. Because I feel like this doesn't, I don't know, I'm concerned. I'm a little concerned. I'm just a bit concerned. Oh, cool. It actually doesn't, actually this does make sense because it doesn't say panel 1 on it. So I actually think this is a good sign. And then what I want to do is reference the control node here, right? So on the control node that has the variable, I'm going to say the is hurt thing. And it's going to set it to true or false. Right? Oh, good. It has the arrows. Beautiful. So then the reason I'm doing this, let me make sure it still works. I'm going to come to the other script, the game1 script. Okay, so let me see if this still works. Score is counting up. We hover over it. Yes, it still works. It still works. Fudge, yeah. And then I'm going to instantiate this scene, right? I think that's what I want to do. I think it's what I want to do. Save branch as scene. I think I want to save it as a scene. And we're going to call this panel. And then I'm going to get me a new version of this. I guess I could just duplicate. It says instantiate child scene. Let's do panel like that, right? And I'm going to put this in here, right? I don't know what this is about. I'm sure this is fine. I want to put this in here, right? Like this is fine, right? Like this, like you're just kidding, right? Like it's just a joke. And then let me just make sure it is just a joke and everything's fine. Yeah, it's fine, right? Debugger, what does the debugger say? Nothing? Good. Yeah, shut your mouth. Okay, so I want this to be, now if I want, I guess we don't really need to reference this at all, do we? Score text, yeah, I guess we're kind of good. So in theory, what I'd want to see is that this second panel that I made, I could put this over here, right? And then either of them would make it go to negative. Yes, it works. So I do see that the highlight isn't working, but the number is going down, which I think should mean you can just press Control C and V on the node. Nice. Okay, that's what I thought. I was just like afraid to do it. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Thank you. That helps. That helps a lot. And I need to fix this code just a little bit so that way we actually get the color change. Oh, I see. So we can just do self-modulate now. And then we're also going to want to say on exit, right? Self-modulate. I don't know what black means. Can we say, can I do gray? Can I do black? I'm not sure about the self-modulate thing. Black on base. Can I find, what are the different, let me look it up. GD script self-modulate colors. R equals 0. Oh, so then it won't modulate it. Oh, cool. Gotcha. Neat. Freaking cool. I thought it would just make it invisible, but you're saying this means it won't modulate it. Oh, wow, that makes so much sense. Gosh, that just makes so much sense. Okay, cool. So then we'll want to update. I mean, the script is going to be the same on either of these, so it should actually be quite sufficient. Yes, game! Oh my god, Godot is awesome. Okay, cool. So I am noticing that the position of this panel is very strange. So like, what is it doing up here in the top left? I'm not sure I understand that. How did it get up there? I'm very confused because our label is over here and this is appearing down here. Don't know how that happened. Maybe there's some kind of like layout thing. I mean, I'm almost inclined to just remove it if I'm being honest, and just replace it. But I can't seem, oh, there it goes. All right, great. Well, if it works, it works. Good. Okay, so then the next thing is how do I move across the level, right? It has anchors since it's a control node. Oh, there are anchors up there. I see them. Well, it's fixed now, so I'm not gonna worry about it. So if I want to move, now I could make it easier on myself. I think I should do that. I feel like we need to not do the level moving to the side. I feel like side scroller is probably doable, but you know, I'm just, you know what? Why? Why not just make an intricate maze? It'll be easier. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to shrink this down into little walls, and that's gonna be our maze. No camera node. Oh, that's just, you know. Oh, right, we could just move the camera node. That actually doesn't sound all that hard, if I'm being honest. Okay, cool. So, I mean, it's gonna need to be pretty difficult. And then what's the point? Like, why, you know, why even do this? Especially if you think about it, right? Like, what's the goal? What's the goal here? You know, if it's to get to a certain part, like all you'd have to do is just move your cursor outside of the window, come around and go there, right? So if we capture the mouse, do GWiz's earlier suggestion of creating something that follows the cursor, right? Then we could keep it locked in here and the player wouldn't be leaving the window and going around to just do that. But, so I guess what we could say is if we could maybe detect if the cursor isn't in the window, maybe we should have, you have to like click or something. So that way, just to somehow affirm that the player is actually in the window, you know, and then you have to like click and drag your cursor and the score goes up. And then if you touch this, your score starts going down. I mean, it doesn't, I guess if you want the free stuff, but what's the free stuff? Maybe the free stuff just gives you more points. The free stuff just gives you more points. That makes a lot more sense, actually. Gee whiz, thank you so freaking much for helping me today. You've been amazing. Guys, please go subscribe to GWiz's YouTube channel. You will not regret it if you're interested in Godot. Thank you so much for your help, GWiz. Take good care. I'll make sure to give you a shout out in the itch page. See you later. Join your Discord. I will join their Discord too. See you later, GWiz. What an honor. What an honor. GWiz equals MVP, literally. Genuinely. Like, for real. Like got me off my feet, gave me my legs, my little duck legs to swim. Does that, you know, like a duck, because they have like webbed feet so they can, I don't know, it's just, it doesn't matter. Thank you, bye. Okay, so what I'm gonna say is you have to hold the mouse button, right? So we want an extra thing in here in our game script to say that instead of just, where's our game script? There's a game script. Instead of just, which means we don't necessarily want the if else, right? Because we want to say that, well, I guess could we say else and, then we could say like left mouse button input or something. Like that might work. I did get a little water on my keyboard. I should deal with that. No, you guys, I should deal with that. Because wet keyboards are not good things. It's a game jam. Things happen. Things in life happen, and you gotta deal with it in the middle of a game jam. It's normal. Everything is fine. We're totally fine. I'm just cleaning off this and giving it a few smacks. It gets the water out. It gets the water out. It does. It does. All right. We're just going to say that my keyboard is not going to be broken. I want to say that you have to be clicking down. Guess who's back on their week-long Dreams hyperfix? Oh, you asked earlier about the audio importer. Yeah, it should be working. You're on Dreams? Man, I'm so out of Dreams. Is that a membrane keyboard? You know, I don't know. I don't know. That's a great point, though. Because if it is, maybe it doesn't matter. All right, so I want to say and input. So I need to do input stuff. I don't remember what the input code is. I forgot what the input code is. I don't remember, so I'm going to look it up. we're gonna go into the help, search help, input. Just give it to me, please. Just give me, I forget what it is. Just tell me, action press. That, oh, is right. So like input, mouse button pressed. Yeah. I'm just trying to remember from, I've done it in my other projects, but I forgot what the code is specifically. Input, is action pressed. I think we went like just pressed, right? Like something like that. Is action pressed, and then I think we can just like go into the input manager, right? The input map. And there should already be like something for this. Oh gosh, I don't know. Let's just create one. Add a new action, click. Add it, and then I'm going to define mouse buttons. That's cool that you're into dreams, Pepe. I pretty much don't do dreams at all. You just got a PS5, so I feel like that makes sense that you're using dreams. I'm just not on PlayStation anymore. Left mouse button, all devices. Okay, cool. So this would be input action is pressed, click. Right? Then we want to say colon. Right? So I don't think we can do this with else. So here's what I'm going to say. We're going to say if, we're going to make this a separate statement. If input action pressed click, then do it. Expected statement found a colon instead. What do you mean? Wait, what? Do I need to put this in quotes? Wait, what's this error? I don't understand. Am I doing my input wrong? I'm gonna save this. I'm opening, guys, I'm just gonna open up another project. At this point, like, I feel like it's gonna be a lot easier if I just open up a different project and look at it. All right, so bear with me. I'm gonna close this project because I don't know off the top of my head. I don't remember how to do input. I know it sounds silly. I'm brand new to Godot. I'm brand spanking new. So I'm gonna open up another game I've been working on, and I'm gonna look at what I did so I can just get exactly what it is, and we can keep moving. I just don't remember. You know, I'm super new to Godot, but apparently not too new, because with some help from y'all, I mean, I'm really making this happen, and I'm really proud of that. So in my other game I'm working on, we've got input. That's a different kind of input. We don't want that input. That's the wrong kind of input. Maybe up here, input set mouse mode. That's a very different kind of input right there. A lot of different kinds of inputs. Input is action, just press activate. Yeah, why wouldn't that work? I don't know. Is action just pressed? Let's just copy that. I was actually pretty close. If I'm being honest. So let's close this one. I'm going to go back to the current one. I'm going to do my best. Honestly, we only got 8 minutes left. Oh my gosh, there's only 8 minutes left. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, I haven't made a pre-submission. I said I was going to show you guys how to make a pre-submission. I haven't done that. Okay, let me show you guys how to make a pre-submission. It is never too late until the jam is over. Then it's too late. It's never too early. All right, I'm joining the jam. I'm going to submit my project, right? So this is what you're going to do if you're going to make a pre-submission, right? So we're not going to say an existing project. We're going to go to upload a game, all right? And this is, right now, I guess this game is get points, but don't, get points, not walls. Get points, not walls. That's the game. And then you can do whatever else you want to do. Mine is going to be an HTML, so I'm going to do that. No payments is what I'm going to choose. And then you can upload your files here. You can actually skip that if you are doing a pre-submission. Details, move your mouse to avoid the walls. Hold left mouse button to get points. Okay, that is an interesting description. It'll have to do. Save and view page. Dang. Dang. Bang. Pre-submission. Dang. Pre-submission is done. So once you do this, after the jam time ends, you can still update your game. You can still update it, right? So that way, if you run out of time, you still kind of have some more time. So just know that. Just know that. The pre-submission is key on itch. All right, so now that I've done that, thank goodness. Let's open up this. We got 7 minutes left. Well, you guys have a little more time, but not much. I made mine a little short, just so I, feel the right pressure. There's actually about 8 minutes left, but I'm gonna pretend like I didn't just realize that. All right, so this is the project we're working on. I want to say if input action pressed click. No, apparently, for some reason. I don't really know why. I still don't really know why that doesn't work. I'm going to paste this from here. If input is action just pressed, instead of activate, we want click. I don't really understand why this is not a valid statement. Expected statement found a colon instead. Oh, there's spaces! Is that why? No. Why is this not okay? Why would this not be okay? I'm pretty confused by that. If I'm being honest. Pretty confused. Is it good now? Now it's good. I moved. Oh no, it's not good. What? How is this a problem? So maybe I just don't need an if, and I can just say input is action, just press click. Expected end of statement after expression. How am I doing this so wrong? I'm very confused. Because it's just an if statement. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Does anybody know what I'm doing wrong? I'm actually genuinely very confused. Because this is just if input. I mean, if I were to say if, here we have if is her, and that's giving me an error too, but that's just because this is above that. I'm really confused as to why this is giving me an error. See, now this is all fine. Here, if is her, no problem. Maybe if you need a then, I wish it was that simple, but it should be implied here. Pierogion sees it. Go back to what? It was right? Okay, so I'm back to the way it was. It's down here. Thanks, Rogi, for coming out of Game Jam. Oh, wait, never mind. Dang! Right, like what? Like, how does this make sense? I'm typing good. I'm making good type. Is it all these spaces? I see there's like a million. Look! There was another colon! There's more text down here. What the what? What in the what? Oh my gosh. That's a funny problem. And that is why I should consider wrapping my code. That's why I should consider wrapping it and not having it extend. I gotta keep an eye on this. Me quietly judging you for not having wrap. Oh man, no, it would have saved me. It would have saved me. That is, let's say that's one more reason why I'll consider it. We have 3 minutes left. Oh god. Okay, cool. So if we hold down left click, we do it. That isn't working. I will say that even though we say just pressed, so we should probably not say just pressed. We'll try is action pressed. There might be like, oh, there we go. Nice. So there it goes. It's going up. We're clicking. Points are going up. If you hit this, it goes down. Simple as that. And then if you want big points, so that's the other thing I need to do in 3 minutes, which I can't do. We'll just add the free stuff. And now we don't have enough time. I mean, I could add a panel. I'm gonna say, is chat game to give me an extension? I ask you, is chat game to give us an extension? Because I could really use it. I'm gonna say freebie. is what this panel is. And this panel, I mean, I'd like it to be a circle, but I don't know how to do that. Novid says yes. All right, I want to hear at least 1 or 2 more people say it. Rogi needs an extension. You spent 20 minutes on a main menu that only has a play button. Bless you. Bless you. I understand. All right, so that's 2 for extension. Let me get 1 more extension, and then I will approve it. I will choose to approve the extension I requested if we get 1 more person who says yes, an extension is okay. Pepe! Pepe is pro more time. And Freaker! Let's go. I'm not even doing this. You are. If you're here, you're doing it. All right, sweet. So we're gonna say there's a 5-minute extension. Or Roxy, 5-minute extension. Now, if you're doing this, guys, if you're submitting on itch, make sure you have a pre-submission. Otherwise, you're not gonna benefit from this extension that much. So just make sure you have a pre-submission. All right. So that way, or you submit at the time. So that way you can update it after the jam ends. Because I can't extend the time on itch. All right. Ocelot. Let's do it. All right, so we want this for the freebie. I would love it to be a circle, but I actually don't know how to do that. I have no idea how to change the shape of a panel. Not a clue. No idea. Transform. I don't know. Let's look it up. Godot panel shape. How the hell do I make a circle? Yeah. Corners. Oh, maybe we should do corner radius. Let's go. Corner. Cool. So I just noticed that there is nothing in here with that. So that didn't help me at all. Oh, we have to go to custom styles, style box flat. Oh, okay. So we want to go to theme. Oh, not theme. Oh, dear. Am I going to burn my 5 extra minutes into the ground? Possibly. Yes, maybe. Panel empty. Here we go. Okay, I found it. So we've got new style box flat right here. Nice. Now it's got a little gray color. I love it. Oh, I realized earlier we didn't make a style box in the first place. So that kind of makes sense why we couldn't reference it before. Then just the corner radius properties. Custom styles. Custom styles. Okay. I definitely hear... Oh, there we go. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Corner radius. Let's go. Okay, cool. 10, 100, 100. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, make it look like something. There we go. There we go. It's a freebie. Bam. Okay, sweet. Nice. And so then these will be here, and you have to get to those. Cool. So then I'm going to duplicate some more of these panels so we can build out this level, right? So if you're using the mouse, I mean, when you start the game, your mouse has to be somewhere. I mean, you could technically enter at any point, right? So really you're entering from any edge. Time is up. I'm going to add an extra 5 minutes for myself here, thanks to the extensions that were approved by the chat and therefore are lawful. Let's get 5 extra minutes in here before we start checking out entries and stuff like that. We can make these any shape we want, Liz. You can do any shape you want. Any shape you want. It's up to you, girl. So that's where you can enter in at these different points using the mouse. Right? Don't come in at a bad point or you're gonna be losing points. I guess it doesn't matter since like you can't go negative, but whatever. I'm gonna say that the sides are totally blocked off, and I don't know, just because I don't know, why not? And then I'm gonna I guess just like build this. Look at all these panels we got everywhere. I love it. I love it. So like there's a freebie, right? And if you want to get that, you have to navigate with your mouse into here to actually get to it. Right? Now, the freebie doesn't currently do anything. So, I don't know how free stuff it's going to end up being. But, I'll try. I will try. I will certainly try. Level design. This is level design for a game that I'm kind of making. Cool. Duplicate. Look at all those panels on the left. My God, that's a lot of panels. That's a lot of panels. I love it. I'm here for it. Creating a level design. You really don't want to think too hard about it. I mean, really, you could just sit there and get points. But the thing is the freebies are going to give you a crap ton of points. More than you could get if you just sat there and held the click button, right? So really, the game is about getting the freebies, which at what point are those free? Are they just part of the game? I don't know. Okay. Building my level, not thinking. Okay, level is being built. It's a game, maybe. Maybe make some of these bigger so they're harder to avoid. I don't know. All right, so freebie logic. So let's go. So if we come to our main game script, right? We have if score is or if is hurt, score is -3. So we want a new variable here, and I'm going to say variable freebie equals, and is this true or false, or is this, I guess, true? And we need it. The thing is we kind of need it to get collected, right? Like it has to like go away or only do it once. So that's going to be kind of tricky. It's going to be a little difficult. We want it to be false at first. Because I don't really know how to like destroy an object in Godot. I guess we could make it not visible. That would probably work. Okay, I know how to do that. So we'll say if freebie, then score free colon. Well, I don't remember what that means. Does that mean something? Plus, we want to say plus 100, like a lot, like a bunch. And then we're going to come onto the freebie. I'm going to add a script, and this script is going to say, my God, node on mouse entered. We want to connect that. Oh man, I ran out of my time. I don't know if I care. Do I? Do I care? Literally. Do I want double extra time? I mean, kind of. We could just have one freebie. If you just have one freebie, Lees, that's something, you know? I'm actually very much enjoying myself, and I kind of wish I wasn't done. I want to keep going, but I don't think we can. It's a 1-hour game jam. Those are the rules. Where is the freebie panel? Did I just delete it on accident? Where did it go? Where did the freebie panel go? Oh God, I deleted it somehow. Come back! Okay, there it is. Impressive mistake. I don't know. Oh, I did. I see. I was trying to disconnect the signal, and I used the delete key, and that deleted the freebie. So I'm like I'm time up, as you can see. So at this point, I'm straight up executive privileging right now on accident. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. We want to say on function mouse entered. On the control node, we want freebie is set to true. And then I guess I want to say, I want like after amount of time, and I don't really know how to do that. If I'm being honest. Await? Gosh, I don't even know how to do any of that. Help, search help. I am going overtime, and I admit that. I admit that completely. Quick time, wait, await, GD's script. Wait like function. If you're creating a wait function and calling another function using the yield. Yield. Oh, okay. I like yield. That sounds nice. Don't forget to free the timer afterwards or you'll cause a memory leak. I don't care. Yield T timeout. That honestly, await to completed. Yield was replaced with await in 4.0. Oh, man, I guess we can't do this. I guess I have to let this go. I think I have to let this go and I just have to turn it in. I think I just have to turn it in. You know, I just have to say that we didn't get to finish it. Await node dot signal, right? But like, if I want it to be a certain amount of time, yeah, I don't know how to use it enough. 2, 2, await 2, await 2, and then well, maybe it'll just work. Maybe it'll just work. Await 1, and then I want to set it to false after, like immediately after. And then I also want it to found indent instead. Oh, okay. So we actually would do it like that. And then what I also want is for it to make it not visible. So freebie, I guess that'd be self. Is that what makes sense? Self visibility, visible. Self visible equals false. Is this code that makes sense? Is that code that makes sense? Yes! Oh shoot! The score didn't go up. The score didn't go up though. So I think that I just have to let it go at this point. I feel like at this point that's the best I can do. I gotta let it go. I don't think I can keep pushing it anymore, guys. I did my best. Maybe because it needs me to be holding the click and the freebies don't work. Oh gosh. Well, Novid, apparently the await seems to be working, actually. What doesn't seem to be working is adding the points. So making it true, if I come back here and we say if freebie score plus equals 100, not working. So yeah. So I think I just have to eat it and export it and be happy that I did as much as I did. I'm proud of as much as I did. I am. So let's export it and let's say web runnable index.html, export it, release. I'm just putting it up there, guys. I gotta just put it up there. I did my best. And let's come. So now if you've made a pre-submission, what you can do is you can click on this draft button on your submission page. And now you can come and you can upload your files. If you're doing it like I'm doing it, a web version, then what you do is you come, you get all your project files. You don't really need this many of them, but we'll just do it. We're going to zip it up. All right, I'm going to add to jam.zip. That is not a zip file. That is a 7z file. So I'm going to not make it a 7z file because that doesn't help me. We want to zip it into a regular zip file. Much faster that way, evidently. And then that's what I'm going to upload into here. I guess it's the second one. Is this the one I just made? I think it's this one. 619. Yeah, buddy. All right, open it, and then it's going to upload. I did my best. I didn't quite finish it, so that's what we're going to say. I'm going to say, didn't finish it in time. Chad, enjoyer of 7Z. Dude, I love 7zip. It's awesome. I love it. I'm going to say, I also feel like it's open source and stuff, too. I'm going to say, did not finish in time. Maybe I'll bring it next week as a late entry. That's what I'll do. Move your mouse over Hola to get points. The freebie doesn't work. All right, done. Uploaded, save it, submitted. My game has been submitted. It is not as complete. Now I have to test it. I should make sure it worked. I think it did. I think it did. I think Godot makes it pretty easy to export your game. Let's see if it did. Let's see. Oh god. Oh, we need to check shared array buffer, cross-origin isolation, check web server configuration. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoops. Did I export the right one? Let me make sure I exported the right one. Project, export, index.html. Oh, I think we did export it. I feel like, did I zip up the right one? I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. Let's just zip it all up one more again, just to be safe. And yeah, this is definitely the right one. And I'm pretty sure I did get shared array. Oh, I didn't check shared array. All right, hold on. I didn't check shared array. Let me check it. That might fix it. That actually might fix it. I think that might fix it. Yeah, that fixed it. Yay, just had to hit a checkbox. Just gotta press the checkbox and then everything's fine. Yeah! Let's go. Game uploaded. Sweet. So, hold left mouse button, you get some points. If you go under the walls, your points go down. A little slower than I meant, but that's okay. It's kind of going a little fast. In theory, you could collect the freebie. So didn't quite get it quite the way I wanted it. What I wanted to happen is when you hover over these, it rapidly decreases your points. And then there's freebies around the level that you get to, and you don't want your points to go down to get them. That was supposed to be the game, but yeah, I ran out of time. But you know what? I learned a lot, and that's not what this game jam is about. Completing, succeeding, amazingly, outstandingly is not what the game jam is about. And what it is about is what I've done, which is I tried my best, I pushed my abilities, and I'm really proud of myself. But did you know, by the way, guys, that we're gonna have some other entries to check out? Did you know that I'm not the only one who participates in this game jam? So if you want to play the submissions to this jam, thanks, Iconic. Yeah, I think it's a nice idea. I didn't quite achieve the idea, but I certainly tried. And that's worth something. But let's see how y'all fared. Oh my gosh, we have several submissions. Let's go! Amazing. Let's see how y'all did. In this game jam that went overtime. Just a tiddlywink. We have Money Game from Psychonic Joe. Placeholder 2 by Pierogigon. Attack of the Conzombies by Aroxy, and Free the Stuff. Ghosts are stuff. Nice, you got the ghosts in there. Very nice, NVD Games. Let's start with the oldest submission. Looks like these are the older ones. So let's start with NVD Games. We got to download it. Let's go. I'm excited. The topic was free stuff. Let's see how well this fits the theme. If it is a game, and even if it's not, we'll see what was achieved, because that's what it's about. How much did you get? How much did you manage to achieve? That's all that matters. It doesn't matter if it's a full game or not. It's 1 hour. What are you gonna do in 1 hour? I mean, really. You're gonna do your best. All right, so this is from NVD Games. And it is called Free the Ghosts. Let's check out the page for the game. No information. Free the stuff. And ghosts are the stuff. Whoa. Nice. Cool. This is cool. I like that. That's a cool interpretation of the theme. Is that you're liberating, you're free, you're taking something that's not free and you're making it liberated. That's awesome. All right, let's check it out. Nice intro screen. That's a nice intro screen. I'm like very impressed. Okay, so let me just get my cursor. I lost my cursor somehow. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. It's like my cursor is showing up on stream, but it's not. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I gotta restart it. I think because I clicked away. Let me put the chat on auto. Rogi says, I didn't get a gameplay happening. Yeah, that's understandable. Honestly, it's not easy. I didn't get a gameplay happening, but it was fun. There you go. See, now you understand. Let me get the chat off of my face. Put it up here, guys. We're getting there little by little. Let me just close the game down. I gotta close the game down because is this the game? Yes. I gotta close the game down. Let's try it again. Oh, it was made in Godot. This one was made in Godot. Okay, I can't click away. I can't click away. Otherwise, my cursor... Wait, my cursor disappeared again. What? You can maybe window it? Yeah, right. Maybe. Maybe I can window it. Let me close it. Let's open it up in like a compatibility mode kind of thing. We're gonna work it out. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna say properties, advanced, or compatibility, right? Compatibility. Disable full screen optimizations. Maybe something like that. Maybe something like that. Scaling performed by system. We could do like compatibility mode. Disable full screen optimizations. Let's see if I clicked enough things to make it open. And it's not like updating right. Okay, let me keep trying. Let me try one more thing. I'm not sure why it's not working. I'm changing the file on itch to a windowed version just in case. Oh, nice. Oh, let me know when that's available. I don't know. Usually the windowed ones don't cause these issues, but in this case, it did. Oh yeah, now it's not showing nothing. Now don't show nothing. Nothing. It's being strange. I think it needs PCK. You had that problem before too? Oh, this game looks awesome. Can we just say this game looks awesome? All right, let's see if it's got an updated version too. 1 minute ago. All right, let's download the new version. Let's check out the new one. This is from Novid. Novid is NVIDIA Games. Let's go. We got a windowed version. Everything is gonna be just fine, right? No, it's okay. Give me the virus. Bring it on. Virus me. Hit me. Hit me with it. I'm ready. Hit me with your best virus. Please don't. Please don't do that. Okay. Okay. Windowed version. Windowed version. This is probably a windowed version. It's not. It's not. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. It's working. It's working. We got it. It's working. Look. Okay, good. We got it. We got it. We can play Novid's game. Okay, cool. Sweet. Yes! Yes! Game! It's a game! It's a game! Oh, they close again. Oh, this is a nice game! Oh, this is a cool game! Yo! Oh, shoot! Oh, this is a great game! Stop it! So it's like I'm trying to hover these, stop it! I have, oh my gosh! Come here! Come on! Get over here. Oh, shoot. Shoot fish in barrels because they deserve it. They're just fish. Oh, man. Shoot. Come on. Let me get the freaking ghosts. By the way, you can play this game right now by going to the itch link in the description box. Come on. Give me this ghosts. What the flip? Flip, you dang it! Flip, you dang it, like a book! Just flip those pages right off the table. Come on, man. Go! Oh, oh. I won! You can tell! Because it crashed. That's how you know I won. Crashing equals winning. Wow! Oh, that was intense. What the what? So this game, if you couldn't tell, this game is about hovering over. Like, what? Okay. My cursor's being a little funny again. My cursor's being a little funny again. You learned from the chef game and multiplied everything by delta, so it works on your machine at normal speed. Oh, it's working again. Yes, let's go. It is hyper energy. It's super hyper energy. Okay, so these ones aren't that hard, but do you see what happens? It's like they start to the gravestone, I don't even, the dirt lid falls back down after a certain amount of time. And so you have to get them all lifted up in time. And this is like the creme de la creme level. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know. I gotta do it again. I gotta do it again. I gotta do it again. Dude, this is fun. This is extremely fun. Come on, 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 come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, God. Oh, oh, God. Oh, man. God. Oh. Oh, it's so frustrating in the best way. In the best way. Because it's like taunting me. It's like, you almost got it. No, you don't. You almost got it. No, you don't. Oh my gosh. It is. It's rage-inducing, but like, it's like a happy rage. Because look at this cute animation of this little ghost just like floating away. And these fun, like, bouncy dirt lids. You know, there's like something so charming about it, and it takes the edge off my rage, but it still gets me so angry. My Valorant DPI would make it easier. Oh, wait, what does that do? Are you, Rogi, do you cheat on Valorant? Are you using cheats? Oh my gosh, I didn't know you were one of those type of Valorant players. My gosh, I feel so differently about you. I mean, you're still my friend, but I mean, I don't know what a Valorant DPI is, but how quickly your mouse moves. So you are cheating. You're a cheater. Your mouse is very slow. Oh, okay, so it's not cheating. Come on, 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 come on. Ah! Come on! Oh, man. But it's like really fun. And you know what it is? It's because you feel, it's like it's rage-inducing, but you get so close. It feels so doable. It's not like rage-inducing because, like, how the hell am I gonna do this? It's rage-inducing because I'm just like, dude, I got this, and then I don't. It's not cheating to make your sensitivity low, don't worry. Oh yeah, I knew that. I didn't playtest this on your mouse setup, so I might have made it pretty hard. Right, my mouse might be extra slow. True. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Dude, oh man. If I did it once, I can do it again. I could do it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh! And then it like teases me because it like, okay, I need a plan. We're going to start in the bottom left. We're going to work our way up. We're going to zigzag. And then what we do is we just follow that. Oh, fudge monkeys. The monkeys love fudge. Who knows why? Who gave them fudge? They didn't deserve it. Okay. Oh my gosh, my plan did not work. Because I want to like follow a path so that way I can come back to it. But it has to be like a good like circular path, really, in order to work. Maybe if I meet my path back in the middle. Dude, I'm addicted to this game. We've got other entries to play. I gotta play the other entries. But like, dang, Novid, you made a game that I'm like genuinely addicted to here. Oh my god. Come on! Oh, so close! Give me... It's all about accuracy. Yeah. Maybe your mouse is too fast. That's what would make this hard, I think. If my mouse was too fast. Oh, because then I could like more carefully hover over it. That kind of makes sense. All right, I don't know how to measure this. Last few tries. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to keep cool, guys. I'm trying so hard. There's another level after this one. I wonder if anyone will get to it. Man, please, guys, go to the itch link and try this game. It's extremely fun. Like this is actually $1 million idea. Okay, million is exaggerating. Like maybe like $100 idea. It's super fun. It's super addictive. It's really simple and could be easily ported to other engines. Like I want to make this game in another engine so bad. Like this is a really, really fun idea. It's so simple and it just like it really works and it really like does something to my brain to make me want to play it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Ah! Yes! 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 Okay, cool. Wow. Oh. Well, this is impossible. Obviously, this is going to be impossible. So I'm not even gonna bother. Like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Not spend 10 hours on this one? Like, come on. You don't see it on itch? What? Thanks, Pierogi. Nope, we're not even gonna. Nope. Nope. I'm sorry. Whatever your awesome windscreen is, I'm not gonna see it. It ain't gonna get seen by me. Ain't happening. Amazing game, Novid. Really, 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 really awesome one. It's probably drafted. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, okay, so then I take back that it's available on itch, unless I'm sure now it may become available on itch. Hopefully it does, because the world needs to play that game, because that game is awesome. That game is so fun. Awesome, awesome work, Novid. Thank you so much for coming through and submitting it. I know you can submit things drafted for game jams. You can submit them drafted. You can submit them unlisted. So, like, I always make mine unlisted so they don't show up on my profile. I think it should be public, not sure. All right, so it might be available now, guys, if you want to check it out. I'll even put a link in here. It looks like it's currently, the URL is named pre-submission, so it might be a temporary one. A lot of people participated in this jam. This is awesome. Yeah, for sure, dude. The participation is going up. Speaking of that, let's check out those other submissions. I apologize for spending so much time on that one. I genuinely got sucked into it. It was so fun. All right, y'all. Let's check out the other submissions. We've got Attack of the Conzumbies. I guess like consumers, except conzumbies. They're sort of like consumers, but they're also like conzumbies. Okay, so this one is by Aroxy. We've got made for the Hyper 1 Hour Game Jam topic, free stuff, controls, WASD movement, space, whack, conzumbies. Your store is in need to make profits. You are putting up a sign that says free stuff, a clever PR move. And of course, the consumers, the conzumbies, start to flock your store. This is too much pressure. You have to whack them or you will go out of business. I love it. I love it. Get close to them and kick them to scare them away. It's so real. So real. Kick 50 conzumbies and defeat the boss to win. The boss destroys the store in one single touch. Dude, this is involved. My gosh. P.S. There's a small bug that the game won't start by hanging the sign sometimes. Reload the page and restart the game and hopefully it'll work. Okay, so if the sign won't get hung up, we'll reload it. All right, here we go. This is, what is it called again? Attack of the Conzumbies? Did I get that name right? Let me double check the name. Attack of the Conzumbies by Aroxy. Here we go. Start the game by posting the sign on the store wall. Look at this interactivity. Yes, interactivity. Here we go. I posted it. I did it. All right, I guess I didn't like tweet it or something, so people didn't get the memo. So I guess they're not coming. All right. Let's restart it. No, let's restart it. No, that's just it. They just didn't promote their free thing enough. That's why. It's not a bug. It's actually just the reality of running a business. All right, let's try it again. All right, we didn't promote our free store enough. The bug! It's a realistic simulation. We'll just keep, there they come! Oh, shoot, stop it! Whoa, whoa! Oh, cool, shoot! Dang it! Oh, shoot! I'm dying bad! Let me turn those sounds down just a little bit. Alright, so all I did was reload it a couple times, and it worked. So, if they don't come right away, just hit that refresh. I turned the volume down. Don't worry. Oh my goodness. Alright. There they come! How do you whack them? Oh. I thought we click on them. We don't. Oh no! No! Oh man. Okay, this is extremely entertaining. The sounds, the animations, this is extremely fun. Wow, there's some good games this time around. All right, here we go. World record. That's me. You know me. All right, refresh it. The business did not promote their free sale enough, and so the Konzumbies didn't show up. Here we go. All right, no problem. Some of them are faster, so I can't necessarily leave my post. And look, the guy even walks a little bit. There's some nice details here. No! Oh, God, leave me alone. There's even... Oh, God, come on. Bam! There's even different, like, attack animation little outputs. And it's really different than some of the other games you've put out for these jams. I'm really proud of you for that. Like, if you kept making the same similar kind of game, I wouldn't fault you. That's what I do sometimes. But, like, you went outside of that normal game design. And that's really, really cool. Okay, here we go. Shablam. Shablamblo. Shablingblot. Oh, dang. Wait, I want to see the boss. I'm here for the boss. So let's try it one more again. Amazing game. Awesome game. Super fun. Extremely satisfying. Here we go. They come. They come for the free things. I like how not even one is allowed to come. Like we put up the sign for free stuff, but like no one else. Yeah, there's a boss. It says it in the description. So I gotta at least get to the boss. But nobody's actually allowed. Like it's not like, you know, there's too many. It's like, never mind. It's, honestly, this person is coming off as a bit of a terrorist. Like, they're just like luring in people just to like beat the crap out of them if they take the bait. Oh, dang. I gotta really step up my game. Guys. We gotta put on PogChamp hat. That's how it works. Okay. PogChamp hat. Oh my gosh, the tension of not knowing if this is gonna be the one that works is actually its own intensity. Oh, I almost hit refresh. We made it. All right, here we go. This is the one. I can feel it. No. What you want? No, none of this. That's what you get. No, shoot. Okay, you can have that one. Get out of here. Die. I would hate that bug too. If I were you, I would hate that bug too. But honestly, as somebody who's playing it, I completely understand. You had 1 hour. That's not enough time. For 1 hour, you have made an incredible game. Look at these cute little pig-faced zombies. I mean, this is an incredible achievement. One bug, worth it. You know, and I love how, because if I get closer to the bottom, it doesn't really help me because they all are coming inward to like this. Oh God. Oh my God. They're coming inward to the central point, right? So they're coming wide. So if I move down here, then it's going to take me longer to get to them. So there's like a nice like design here where I can't like cheese it, you know? I want to see the boss too. How close? Am I really far? Like, have I gotten close? When is the boss? Okay, refresh. No problem. It happens. Here we go. Smack. I really want to see the boss. I'm determined. No! Oh, those fast ones, man. Those fast ones are tough. Get out of here. You have to get to 50. 50? Oh my gosh. All right, we got to really hunker down and get serious. So, like, if they're going slow, I have to kind of ignore them. Oh, God! Because if they're going slow, there's always going to be a fast one that'll pass them up. We can do it. We can get to 50. We can do it. I believe we can do it. Here we go. Oh! Okay, maybe not this time. But next time. Well, we haven't lost yet. Please. Okay, we lost. I got almost halfway there. I'm going to try 5 more times. I'm going to give myself 5 more tries. All right? And if I don't make it in 5 tries, then we don't get to see the boss. Here we go. Uh-oh. Okay, this one doesn't count. Actually, it does. You know what? It does. It counts. Here we go. Here we go. We can do this. Maybe. Slow one. Don't go for the slow one. Even if the slow one ends up getting there first. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. Don't forget to like. That's true. That's true, Rogi. If you haven't, if y'all haven't left a thumbs up, it's really helpful if you do. Oh no, that one snuck past me. It's tricky. It's tricky stuff. Oh no! Huh. 21, 21, 21. I even got a bad start, and we're doing better than we did last time. I think we can make it to 50. It'll take a minute, but I think we can do it. Okay. All right. All right. Come on. Come on, guys. What, you want some of the free stuff? Hell no. I don't think so. Not for you. Not for you. Smack you. Smack you. All right. We're almost at 40. Oh, dang it. I think I got 1 life left. 10 more. 10 more, then we see the boss. Now, will I defeat the boss? Is an entirely different question. 45. 5 more. 5 more. Oh! Double kick. 1 more. Then we get to see the boss. Oh, there's the boss. Mega Konzumbi. Oh my god. Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Number 1! That's what I'm talking about. Number 1! It's a me! Lee's! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Feels good! Woo! Dang, man. Ooh, I didn't know. It was touch and go. It was touch and go for a second there. I loved that game. That was a cool game. Very satisfying. And look, it was like I could get better. Right? I felt like I could get better. Like I was able to improve over time. So that's a really cool thing. Awesome work. Beautiful game. Beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. It's kind of beautiful. Thank you for submitting it, Araxi. You did awesome. Rogi wants to let everyone know real quick. Blackberry lemon sparkling water is the best flavor. Okay. All right. You heard it from Rogi, y'all. I just won with max points. Nice. Great game. It is a great game, right? You guys can play all of these games, probably. I'm pretty sure you can play them all right now by heading over to the itch link in the description box. So head down there, check out these games, and follow these creators. Give these creators some follows over here on itch. They deserve them. All right, y'all, we've got more games. We've got more games made in a freaking hour. Yes. Let's check out Kleptubu. 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 Now, Rogi said there wasn't gameplay, so let's actually wait on that one then. Since we know there isn't gameplay, let's save that one for last. Let's save it for last, and let's do Heredo's game. All right, this is Halloween the verb. This is Halloween as a verb. Do you understand? So it's Halloween, but it's a verb. Give the kids what they want on Halloween and for free. Controls, left key to give a cookie. Right to raise the cross. What? What? What are we giving them? Are we giving them an exorcism? Status, no game over scream, no sound. Heard. Well, not heard, because there's no sound. Good night, Pepe. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Take good care. Here we go. We're running this game. Give the kids what they want on Halloween. Is Heredo Psycho Ocelot? Right? Am I correct about that? I think I'm correct about that. Here we go. Get kids free stuff. Whoa. Left key to give a cookie, right key to raise the cross. What? Okay, this is Psycho Ocelot. What? I mean, oh, we're running out of time. Cookie. 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 Cross! Cross! Cookie. Cross! 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 Bye-bye! Cookie. I think I've run out of time, technically. I think I've taken... There's no game over screen. Okay, so I think we have to reset it. If we have any honor, we have to reset it. All right, resetting it. I like it. I like it. Okay, here we go. Cookie. I don't remember what I got, but we can do better. Cookie. Cross! Cross! Get out of here, demon! Be gone! Cookie. Cross. Cross. Cookie. I like how the demons are kind of alien-like. Cookie. Self-refereeing. Oh, not cookie. No, no cookie! Oh, can we spam? Spam it! Oh, yeah! Oh, the score goes down! Oh, you added an anti-spamming feature! Oh man, I was all like big brain Lee's. I got a big brain, my name's Lee's. I'm just gonna spam it and it's not gonna know. Yeah, it knew. Alright, so what I get? About 22 points or something? Dang. Dang! It knew! Cookie. Cookie. Now we start with 10 points. So subtract 10, that's the real score. Cookie. Cookie. Demon! Demon! Cookie. Kids don't like crosses. I don't blame them. I wouldn't blame them. Why would they? I mean, they literally were coming for Halloween candy. They wanted candy, man. They didn't want some stinking cross. What are they going to do with that? Dig a hole? It looks like it would dig a good hole. Just jam it into the ground. You could dig a decent hole with that. Maybe, like, use it to help you cross-stitch? Oh, we ran out of time. This is awesome. What engine is this? Yeah, what engine is this? That's a great question. All right, I forgot to keep track of the time. So I don't know. I don't count that one. It's Godot! Nice. Cookie. 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 Got to keep track of the time. Got a self-referee here. Lots of cookies. We're giving away a lot of cookies here. Yes, you get a cookie. No. No cookie for you. You get a cookie. Cookie for you. No cookie for you. Cookie. I got 19. 19. I subtracted 10 because it starts with 10. 19. I thought it might be Godot because of the score font. Oh, nice. This is a cool game. This is a cool game. You've got anti-cheat measures put in here. It's very clear what you're supposed to do. I feel like I don't even need instructions beside the left and right. You know? I like that of the time. Like, you have this. Like, this is cool. Like, you made a little, like, nighttime. Like, it has, like, a vibe to it. You know? And this cool-looking cross. Like, this is cool. You got a progress bar. This is cool. You did a cool job. Let's give it one more time, one more try. So I'm saying I'm adjusting my score since we start with 10. I'm adjusting it to 19. That's my high score. Let's see if I can beat my high score. Here we go. Let's beat it. Cookie. Cookie. Demon. Cookie. Cookie for you. You want a cookie, you get a cookie. You want a cookie, you get a cookie. You want a cookie, you get a cookie. You know, get a cookie. You want a cookie? You can have a cookie. Let's see. No, no cookie for you. Yes, you get a cookie. No, I don't think so. You know how much pleasure it gives me to deny you demon freaks a cookie? So much. Low-key, they love the crosses. They're like, thank you. Like, they're actually just like kids, and they just want crosses instead of candy. They're like, oh yeah, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I was really hoping you would give me a cross. Thank you, guys. All right, demons, come around. We got... Oh, I ran out of time. I forgot to keep track of the time. Then that one doesn't count. One more round. One more round. One more round. Demons have feelings too. That's right. Thank you for saying it. So we're going to reframe it. And we're going to say that the demons actually like to have the crosses. They add them to a collection of crosses that they have, which they then melt down into a demon shape so they can use it for their demon rituals. And so that it's actually a very generous thing of me to be giving these to them. So everything is fine. Yes! I beat the score! I beat the score! I did it! I beat the score! I got 20 that time! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Nice submission. Psycho Ocelot, thank you so much for making it. I enjoy the art very much, especially that cookie. The cookie is nice. You got some nice like shading on that chocolate chip. You got some pixel art skills. I've seen your pixel art skills, and I like them. Thank you for submitting that very good game. Legit game. Make sure you go follow them over there on Itch, guys. You can get the link in the description. We're going to check out Psychonic Joe's money game now. It's the money game. Yeah, it's all about making money. I think that's all there is to it. Click money. I only had 20 minutes for this. Are you serious? Okay, this was made in 20 minutes. Let's keep that in mind. All right, here we go. Psychonic Joe's submission. You can play this yourself over there on Itch, probably. Oh, click money. Here we go. Oh my god. All right. Okay. All right. We got money. We got to click it. Oh, it goes away. Dang. Free money. This is actually really funny. like, you know that feeling. You know that feeling, guys. When you're just like, you're chilling, walking down the street, and you see a dollar bill, maybe even a $5 bill, maybe even a $20 bill. Whoa, 10 level up. Let's go. If you see any kind of dollar bill on the ground, you want to think about snatching it. You either going to think about snatching it or asking somebody if they dropped it first and then snatching it. Is it getting harder? And are the bills getting bigger? Is it just me? I will say, it gives me that satisfaction because this is an American dollar bill here. Godot turning up. Yeah, it's another Godot game. Yes. Dude, it is making the bills bigger. Sweet. So as we level up, we get stronger. And it gets easier to click on them. I like that. I like that. I was like, is this just me or are they getting bigger? Level up. I mean, I would be lying if I said it didn't kind of give me that satisfaction of finding a dollar bill. Like, I feel like I'm in one of those demoralizing game shows where they put you in a box and they shoot money everywhere and you have to like hurriedly pick it up. That's what this is. I'm just like, yeah, oh yes, my brain just like knows that this is what money is. Like, give me that money. Please give me the money. I need it so bad. It feels so good to get. Let's see if we can get to 100. Let's see if we can get to 100. I assume this is endless. And it would just keep getting bigger until they were so big that they would take up the entire screen. A part of me really wants to try to play until we have screen size dollar bills. Dude, look at this. I would have $86. Do you understand that? Next time you do Godot, we must show you how to auto-load a script. What does that even mean, Rogie? I could have done that, and that would have helped me if I auto-loaded a script. Wait, what does that even mean? It's endless. I don't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. This game made me forget that the money I'm getting is not real. Well, it looks real. It looks real. It like has an impact on my brain. Like I'm not making up that. I mean, do you feel that, guys? Looking at this, like look at it. Unless you're not an American, then you probably don't have that association. But to me, I smell the money. I feel the money. I'm just like, yes, give me that money. Give me all the money. All right, we did get 100. Autoloaded scripts are like global scripts that you can call from any script anywhere. It's like a global script. So wait, why would that have helped me? Why would that have helped me? I love this. Simple game totally fits it perfectly. It perfectly fits the topic. Absolutely the most perfect topic fitter that I could possibly imagine. It's just free stuff. It's free money. It's perfect. You nailed it. And it's fun. It's fun because it gives me the vibes of getting free money. So thank you for giving me that satisfaction today. Well done, Psychonic Joe. Well done. I guess it hasn't helped you much because you haven't made many scenes yet. Okay. You just wanted, admit it, you just wanted to brag about your knowledge. But when you have multiple scenes, it's very good to have global variables. Oh, global variables would be nice, yeah. Yeah, I kind of just used like a nested variable system. It seemed to work. Singletons / autoloads are really important to learn. I guess I do need to learn them. I just referenced a variable that was in like a top level node. So wait, are these all, was every single entry Godot? I think every single, oh no, a Roxy's game was Game Maker. We had Game Maker. We had a Game Maker representation as well. Let's give love to the Game Maker, which also has some good games. Sure love bragging about knowledge. It's the best for everyone. People get to learn and I get to sound smart. Yeah, I guess so. All right, speaking of Pierogigon, we have one more entry. It is from Pierogigon, and it is called Kleptuboo. 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 I'm, okay. So is that like kleptomaniac, but klepto-boo because it's a ghost. So it's like you're a klepto, but you're also a scary ghost, I think is what this is. So let's extract it. Let's give it a play. Now, apparently this doesn't have game logic per se, or it's not like gameplay, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yes, bring on the virus. Bring it on. I'm willing to take that risk for my peoples. Wow. Okay. Awesome. Start screen. This is cool. This is some good art. I think I see some Krita. Looks nice. Look at this. Look at this. You said you spent most of your time on this? I can see why. It looks awesome. All right, let's play it. Kleptoboo. Whoa. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, shoot. What is happening? Am I doing a good job? Am I doing a bad job? Oh, so maybe the game was supposed to be like you can click on these and you're just supposed to like, maybe you like spam. I'm just imagining what this game would have been. So maybe you like spam on these boxes, spam, 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 spam. You get points, and then sometimes they get blocked, and then you gotta hurry up and get the other one. Is that what the game was supposed to be? The idea is that the chests will be stealable, but then sometimes they're looking at you. So you lose if you click the red ones. Oh, nice. Nice, so it's like, it's making you wanna steal the free gold. It's making you wanna steal the free gold, but it's gonna block you. It's gonna block you. Sometimes. Nice. That would have been a cool game. Actually, not like super different from my game, if you think about it. It's a little different, obviously. But it makes sense, right? Because it's like you want to click in some places, but not in other places. I like it. You know what might have helped, Rogi, by the way? Something that could have helped you finish this in time is actually this thing called autoload. You're telling me that Rogi did use autoload, and still didn't finish it. So maybe autoload isn't the saving grace. Well, I love the idea. Very cool game. It didn't get finished, no. But that's not what this jam is about, is it? Is it? It is not. It is about trying your best, seeing what you can come up with, and learning something along the way. And I hope you guys did that. We had some awesome entries this time around. So much Godot representation. Thank you all for submitting your games. Real quick, I do want to tell you, I am taking a stream vacation for a few weeks. Not a real vacation. I'm just gonna stop doing as many streams for about 3 weeks. Here's the idea. Here's the plan. Let me give you guys an update here. We've got November, right? That's pretty much where we're at here, November. There's a couple days in the beginning before November, of course. So as you can see, I've got some squares here that are black and some that aren't black. Let me get so I'm on top of it so I can point and stuff. You know, I feel like it makes sense if I can like point to it. All right, here we go. So, whoop, and it's gone. All right, well, this is nice, there it is. So this is next week right here, is Monday and Tuesday, right? That's this next week in October. I'm not gonna be streaming starting on Monday, on all of these days that are black. I am going to keep streaming the Game Jam, because the Game Jam is awesome. I love doing it. I love seeing what you guys come up with. So the Game Jam is gonna keep happening every Friday. I'm also gonna keep doing the membership streams, which happen on Sundays. You can join the YouTube membership. There's one membership level. If you join it, you get all the things. So check that out if you're interested, including a free stream every Sunday. Now, I'm having surgery on my shoulder on this day right here. This, I didn't mark it on here, but this is my surgery day. So I'm not gonna do a membership stream before that, so I can just get ready for that stream. I do wanna say, I know like a minute ago, my stream got a little glitchy there. I apologize for that. My ISP is struggling in the rain. If it's raining, my ISP just falls apart. So, and that's something else. During this break, I'm gonna be switching my internet service provider, so maybe that'll be better. So you can look forward to that. We'll see. So I do have a question mark here for this one, because that's gonna be after my surgery, right? My surgery is here, and then we got all these days, and then who knows? So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do a game jam there, because I might be like really tired or like feeling not good. So for the Friday in the second week of November, that's a maybe for the Game Jam. That's a maybe, we'll see. So, and then hopefully, I'll be fine to do it, a membership stream on that Sunday and on this Friday. That's what I'm hoping for, and then hopefully after this, where it's not blocked off, hopefully in there, I'll be able to do streams again as normal. So I just wanted to update you. I know the stream is, man, the stream is shutting down. The stream is shutting down. The stream is like, take your break now. Take your break now. I'm like, okay, just let me tell somebody about it first. Stream. Jeez. My gosh. Okay. Gotta rest and heal. I do. It's true. It's very true. So this is kind of the more realistic one. So this is kind of the truth, all right? So I'm hoping for the calendar I just showed you, but I have a feeling it's more like this, where it's all question marks. Probably I'll be able to start streaming again after this break, but technically I'm not sure. I will definitely be able to do next Sunday, or this coming Sunday, and next Friday. So I'll definitely be doing streams on those 2 days. But other than that, I'm taking a few weeks off. So yeah, I just thought you should know. Thank you for trying to suffer through that despite the live stream collapsing on us. That's just great. We need an F emote or a glitch emote. I hate that we need that, but yeah, you're right. An F emote would be a good one. I think you're right. I think we do need that. Maybe like an RIP or something. We'll see. So anyway, guys, that's the information I wanted to give it to you. I am going to do a Patreon stream. Yeah, I do those. Those are going to continue as well during this break, as long as I can do them. Here are the patrons, by the way. There's a new patron, actually, Ash Kettle. Welcome, Ash Kettle, to the patron family. I appreciate that. Thank you for your support. You actually don't have to support the Patreon in the ways that people like Ash Kettle and these folks are. You don't actually have to. You can do it without paying any money. It's very true. If you go to patreon.com/hypergamedev, you can join for free, and what you will get is access to the Patreon livestream. You just get to have it. You just get to have it. All you gotta do is sign up with your email, and you will get it in your email inbox every Friday after the game jam. So, check that out. Consider joining up. It's a free live stream you can't get on YouTube unless you come over here to Patreon. So yeah, check that out if you're interested. And I also got to give a shout out to the members. To the members on YouTube, thank you, and the donors, the people who contribute their money and their support via YouTube also means a whole heck of a lot. So let me give some love to them. I'll have a scroller for them after the break. The break is gonna be also a time for me to do stuff that I also need to do. So it's a lot of things. But we've got some members over here on YouTube. Much love to them. Thank you guys for coming through and supporting HyperGameDev in the ways that you do. And not only these wonderful folks, but also thank you to these wonderful folks for the donations that you have made. So yes, that is all the things. I have said all the things. Thank you everybody for joining this game jam. If you want to watch the previous game jam, you can actually click or tap. You can click or tap on the left to watch the previous game jam, and you can click or tap on the right to watch the next one. That's only if you're watching this after the live stream. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take good care, and for the Patreon stream, I'm gonna do it right after this. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right, bye y'all.